Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Sweatcoin into a Sweat wallet safely and step by step. If you've been earning Sweatcoins by walking and want to start using them as real crypto, this guide is for you. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need a compatible Sweat wallet. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and install the official Sweat wallet app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you're downloading the legit version by checking the developer and reviews to avoid fake apps. Once that's installed, open the Sweatcoin app. In the settings menu, there should be an option to link or connect your wallet. Tap on that and follow the prompts. They'll walk you through linking your Sweatcoin account with your new Sweat wallet. This step is really important because it allows the two apps to communicate securely. After linking the two, head over to your Sweat wallet and grab your wallet address. This is basically a long string of letters and numbers that works like your crypto bank account for Sweat tokens. Copy that address carefully. You'll need it for the next step. Now, go back to the Sweatcoin app. Find the section where you can transfer coins and paste the wallet address you just copied. Enter how many Sweatcoins you want to move over. Then double-check everything. It's super important to make sure there are no typos in the address, because if it's wrong, your coins could disappear for good. Once you're confident and everything looks right, go ahead and hit the transfer button. You'll see the transactions start processing, and after a few minutes, sometimes a little longer depending on the network, you should see your tokens show up in your Sweat wallet balance. And that's it. You've officially moved your Sweatcoins into a crypto wallet where you can store them, trade them, or even use them on supported platforms in the future. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and drop a comment. If you have any questions, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.